Hello, everyone. Thank you, Father, for another wonderful and amazing day. Welcome back, everyone. My name is Joyce McTier, and today I am going to show you all how to make and create these earrings called Sheer Booty. Welcome back to another Crafty Vision segment. So, I am pulling this video out of my archive, y'all. So, we're going to go ahead and get started. So, the items that you will need for this how to make video is you will need some round nose pliers. You will need wire cutters. You will need a ruler. You will also need 2 fish hooks. You're going to need something to make and create your shape with. So I am using a pill bottle that is approximately about an inch thick, okay? If you choose and you want your earrings to be smaller, because once you do this, your earrings will be at least 7 inches long. If you want them to be smaller, then you will have to use a dowel or a shape smaller than an inch. This shape is about an inch in size. And I know that everybody doesn't like long dangle earrings. But the one thing about these earrings is that even though they're long, they're going to be very stylish. You're going to be using 2 pieces of 14 gauge copper wire, 12 inches long, and you will also need 2 fish hooks, okay? So as you can see in the video, I have already taken the liberty to cut my wire. The one thing that I do love about 14 gauge copper wire is that once you mold it and put it into shape, it stays in that shape. If you've never worked with 14 gauge copper wire before, 14 gauge copper wire, y'all, is amazing. Okay, it is amazing. There is a difference between 14 gauge copper wire and aluminum wire. Now, what I will say is, to have the best results for these earrings, you want to make sure that you use 14 gauge copper wire. So as you can see, I have rolled it, I made my shape, and then I think I am putting some lotion or something on my hands, and I'm going to come and I'm going to unroll this about 3 times to show y'all the shape and how I achieved the shape that for the earrings that you see me wearing. Now, I think I'm talking. Okay. So I open it up the first time. That's the first. Okay, that's the first one. And then right here, I guess I get a little trying to figure out how to do this. So you see me flipping it a few times. That's the second time right there. And then I am opening it up again the third time. But just like I said, y'all, 14 gauge copper wire is amazing. You can make some phenomenal things with 14 gauge copper wire, because for one, it's perfect because it's not too thick and it's not too thin, okay? And as you can see, what I'm doing right here is I'm going to cut off about an inch of this wire. And I'm cutting off an inch of the wire because I want to make a loop so that I can hang my fish hook from the top of these earrings, okay? So I'm going to make my loop. And for those of you who like to use jump rings. You can use jump rings to add your fish hook on if you choose to. But once I make my loop, I always just go in and I add my fish hook. Okay. Now I'm going down the bottom and I'm going to finish making this design. Just bending it just a little bit, applying a little pressure because like I said, with 14 gauge copper wire, once you mold it, it's permanent, okay? And like I said, if you don't want to make these earrings as big or as long, I'm going to say as long, then you can use something that is going to make the earring a little smaller if you don't want to have the earring too long. Y'all excuse me if you hear some stuff going on in the background. So with that being said, another thing that I do want to say is that another good fit of wire to use making these is brass wire. And you can find 16 gauge brass wire. You probably can find it anywhere, but Michael sells it 16 gauge. And you can do brass wire earrings the same exact way I'm showing you here out of 16 gauge wire. So with that being said, thank y'all so very much. I greatly appreciate your support. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share these videos out to your other social media platforms because sharing is caring. Y'all have a wonderful and amazing day. Peace and blessings. I did say that right. And happy crafting. See ya.